What's up guys, Dave here from Iographer. Today we're going to unbox and play with the Lume Cube LED light panel. And we're going to give one away, so stay tuned. All of this today on Iographer TV. Okay, so this is the LED light panel for photos and videos. Had a chance to catch up with Lume Cube recently, and I've always been a huge fan of theirs. I was a backer for their Kickstarter, and I'm definitely a fan. So they have some new products that we love and we're going to start carrying, and I wanted to show them to you. This is the first one. So let's open this one up here. I guess it's passed, so that's good. So let's open this. Eventually one day I'm going to buy a nice little knife that I can do this kind of cool stuff with. All right, so that's open. And we'll put that over here. And here is instructions to the light panel that we can read later. But it's got a nice interface in the back, and hopefully there's a little juice in it that we can see. But it's got some options here. And I think it goes from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, adjustable temperature. Full spectrum bicolor light. That's great. And I love, when I saw it in action at this trade show, it really had a bright tone to it. It was just wonderfully lighting up the room. So let's see, what do we have in here? So we've got our charge. So it's got a micro USB to USB to charge it. I'm feeling in here, and I'm feeling a cold shoe adapter or hot shoe adapter if you're using it on a big camera. And then this is, I don't know, it's another adapter. Oh, so maybe you plug this in. Probably one of these ends goes into the light, and then you can have it plugged in and charging and run the light. I'm 99% sure that's how that works. Nice pouch, very nice, like it. And this is the light. It is so itty bitty and super lightweight. Does it have the weight on here somewhere? Specs, 180 grams. Alexa, how many pounds is 180 grams?
180 grams is 6 ounces.
6 ounces. It weighs 6 ounces. And this is it. It's super nice. Let's open this up right now. Oh, I thought that was a thing to pull off, but it's not. It's actually a diffuser, I guess. That's cool. And there's a sticker on the front here, I believe. All right, I found it, and we pulled the protective tape off. And it's funny because this doesn't look real, but it is. On the back here is the on-off button, plus and minus. Down here you can charge stuff. 5 volts in, 5 volts in, 5 volts out, so maybe you can charge things with it. Let's turn it on here. And there we go. So it's turned on. Look at this nice a 3200 Kelvin, and it's like a nice kind of colored light. Oh, I like this a lot. And so this is what I was talking about in the back here. It's got 5% that we have in brightness. So let's see, we crank that up to 10%. Look at how bright it gets. And it tells me here at this 100% 3200 Kelvin, then we're going to be 15 minutes of filming with it. So this is really, really cool. Let's see if I press this manual mode once, and now I can change. It went from the battery time, the amount, down to the Kelvin there, and now I can change this up, and now we're getting a different color light. It's much more of a blue, a whitish light. This is an amazing light. I love it. Let's see here. Let's go back down. I want to kill the battery before we finish our demo. So I'm going to bring this back down to 3200. Nice color to it. Let's get out of manual, and then we're going to bring this way down to even. Oh, at 30% it says I have an hour of battery on it. And this is still pretty bright. I'll have to show you more when we put it on the Iographer, and I'll stand in front of it, but it's very, very nicely made. And then so the cold shoe would go right here on the bottom. Super cool. I'm assuming also I could just screw this onto a tripod as well. So I could actually screw this in and have two lights going on right here, if you can see, into the iographer. I could put it into the side panel right here and then screw on another light. It's pretty cool. Let me put this on for a second. I'm pretty sure this is because of diffuser, because it just fits so nicely. And we'll turn it back on. And oh yeah, look at that. Nice diffused light. Looking good. And then we'll crank up the Kelvin a little bit. Let's go up to 4400 Kelvin. This is really nice. So they've really pushed the bar in a portable light here, in my opinion. I mean, it's really got some great controls, and you can do a lot of stuff with this. I mean, I can see just a couple of these in a toolkit would be plenty of light for 99% of your situations. Plus the fact that if I remove the cold shoe here, and I can put this onto a mini tripod or the iographer flexible tripod, and I can hang it around something. I mean, this is really, really nice. So let's take a look at what it looks like when we use it in a situation. I'm going to go into my living room that's pretty dark right now because there's no sun out. And we'll just put on the camera to see how it looks normally, and then we'll throw a light on. What do you say? All right, let's go check it out. Okay, so now we've got the iPad 11 Pro with the new multi-tab, and then we've got the light on top. So we're going to take a look at how it would look without any light added. So I'm just going to press the play button here, or the film button. I'm going to go out in front here, and I'm going to start talking, blah, 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 blah. We're here in an interview. There's not much light, you know, whatever. So now let's turn on the new LED light. I'm just going to hold it down right here for a second. And boom, we've got some great, look at that light right there. That looks great. It's really nicely lit already. Maybe I'll bring it down to 20% even. And now I'm about 4 feet away, and I'm talking about all my stuff. You know, it's super cool. And look at the light that I have in front of me. It's just amazing how, and this is 20%. So imagine if it was like super dark and you needed a shot further away. You would get some great light from this. Let's put on the diffuser and see how that helps too. Okay, so I threw on the diffuser that came with it, and it's softened the light a lot on my end of it, and I think it's a great accessory to throw in there. So there you have it, the Lume Cube LED light panel, $149. It's awesome. We're gonna start carrying them. Check out our website. Also, leave a comment below. Do you think this is super cool, this light? And if you do, tell us why you think it is and what you're gonna use it for. And I'm gonna pick one of you to win one of these so you can have great lighting all the time. I'm Dave Basulto. Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when to get alerted when we have new giveaways and new videos. Everybody have a great day, and I wish you all a happy holiday. Cheers.